In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add your bank card in Alibaba. If you're looking to streamline your transactions on this global e-commerce platform, you're in the right place. Let's jump right into it. First, you'll want to open your web browser and navigate to alibaba.com. It's important to ensure you're on the official site for security reasons, so double check the URL to avoid any potential phishing sites. Once you're on the homepage, you'll notice options to log in or create an account if you haven't done so already. This is essential before you can proceed with adding a bank card. Once logged in, direct your attention to the top right corner where your profile icon resides. Click on your profile to reveal a drop-down menu. From this menu, you'll want to choose the My Alibaba option. This section is your personal dashboard on Alibaba, where you can manage various aspects of your account including orders, messages, and payment methods. Next, look for the payment section. You may find it on the side panel or as an option in the top bar depending on your account view. Clicking on payment will take you into more specific account settings and management options. From here, it's pretty straightforward. Click on payment management. This is where you control the various payment methods linked to your Alibaba account. Here you'll find the option to add a new card. Clicking this will open up a form where you can input your bank card details. When entering your card details, be cautious and double check the information you provide. This can include your card number, expiration date, security code, and billing address. Remember, accuracy is key to prevent any transaction issues later on. Once you've filled out all the necessary fields, take a moment to review your card details to ensure everything is correct. After reviewing, find the Confirm button. Clicking Confirm will finalize the process and link your card to your Alibaba account. And that's it. Your bank card is now added, making it easier to manage and complete transactions on Alibaba. Just a quick reminder to always maintain the security of your payment information. If ever in doubt, it's a good idea to contact Alibaba's customer service for assistance. I hope this guide was helpful and that you're now confidently able to add a bank card to your Alibaba account. If this video helped you, please consider liking and subscribing for more helpful tutorials. Happy shopping on Alibaba!